don't know which way we're going here. Gotta go that way. Okay. Okay. Let's get it set up. Yeah, I just found it interesting. There's Velcro that keeps these on. But look, we got different buttons. So if you want your 45, less, which is basically your lock form, or this, which is almost vertical, you can. I'm just gonna do it like that. So right now, I'm only getting half sun. And we're thinking we want to get in there, how much it's getting power. So we're only pulling 66 watts or 68 watts, whatever. But we're only got power to half of this right now, which is not bad. We had this in full sun, which we will try. I just want to see the differences. See, now we're pulling 69. So I'm curious or something. With no sun, just light, daylight, no sun, we're getting 4 watts still. Three to 4 watts. It's not bad actually, for no direct sun. Oh, the sun's out. So let's try something. $166 watts. This is the Bluetti solar panel. And this thing right now, we haven't had a lot of nice days lately, but this, oh, looks like the average is, as I drop the phone, the average 164, 166 from the sun. The great thing about these power banks, whether it's a Bluetti, whether it's something else, it's that you're harnessing that. You're harnessing the sun's power, and that is cool. What's awesome is that right there is powering that solar right there. That's free power that you're harnessing from the sun to generate, whether it's a radio, whether it's charging your phone, whether it's a small appliance, whatever it might be, that you're using that I can actually feel right now. It's hot. I'll tell you what the temperature is soon. But that right there is what's powering this. And that battery will charge in no time. That's why I love solar. Bluetti has put together this solar panel and it pulls a lot of power. Let's see, what are we at? So we're staying consistent, around 160. That's pretty cool for something that's just up there in the sky, shining down on us, that's charging this panel, which is charging this Bluetti, giving us power so that I can film, I can fly our drone, I can charge lights, cameras, everything for our adventures. It's awesome. Love it. Thanks, Bluetti. The other thing that I love is how easy this is to open up and put away. It takes all of a minute, if that even. That's why these things are great to have, whether you're just camping, whether you're overlanding, whether you need more solar, whatever the situation might be, getting a Bluetti solar panel is something that you won't regret. So let's put this away now. That simple. Love it. It doesn't take up a lot of space either. So what more can you say? Try something. I'm curious. That solar panel compared to my solar panel that's my portable solar panel, compared to the solar panel that is on my roof. Let's try this. See what we come up with. Okay, I've just plugged it in. Let's see what we've got. So the one on my roof is actually pulling 95 compared to the 160 the other one was pulling. That's crazy. And that's a portable one that's pulling that 160.